the 2020 Cadillac CT4 and CT5, the vehicle manufacturer's recommended transport is flatbed only. The 8-point tie-down is the recommended tie-down method for this vehicle. Be advised, the attachment point for this vehicle is toe pin only. Attaching to any other components on the vehicle is prohibited. The toe pin is located in the trunk. Utilize a non-marking tool to open the toe pin cover, and make sure to store that toe pin cover inside the vehicle. Next, install the toe pin. Be sure to use a tool to confirm it's threaded tight to the frame rail. When attaching to the toe pin, utilize a lead and catch strap to mitigate any damage. If you're unable to place the vehicle into neutral due to lack of power, use a jump pack and apply for 3 to 15 minutes. If you're still unable to power the vehicle, then you'll need to skate the vehicle. The remote jump points are located on the driver's side engine compartment. Be sure to attach the positive cable first and then the negative. In a no-power situation, you can access the vehicle by using the valet key. Release the key from the key fob by pressing the button. Then slightly pull on the door handle while inserting the key into the underside of the handle. Then gently turn to release the cover. Now there's 2 damage alerts to note here. Number 1, use caution not to contact the paint surface with the key. And number 2, be sure to hold something under the cover so that it does not drop on the ground and scratch the cover. If a key fob is in a low power situation, it can be placed in the charger pad that's located in the cup holder. For a fuel delivery, the vehicle supplied fuel funnel is located in the trunk for the capless fuel system. When the fuel delivery is complete, be sure to wipe off the funnel or place into a bag to prevent gas odors from getting inside the vehicle. If you're performing a lockout on this vehicle, utilize a paint protector to avoid damage to the exterior and interior trim components and the paint. The target point is to pull the door handle. For dealership delivery, be sure to complete these checklist items. Connect with the service team member. Complete the vehicle condition report with photos. Obtain a legible signature from the service team member and a printed name. Hand the team member keys and obtain a business card. For after-hours delivery, be sure the keys are in an envelope along with the vehicle condition report and placed in a secured facility drop box. Never leave the keys in the vehicle.